Hello there. So I was preparing the next video and I kind of looked at the channel and I looked back at a lot of videos and I don't really like what I'm putting out right now, video-wise. I used to be in a creative position where I was making like videos that I loved and they just came together and they were doing, I wasn't even doing that much in the videos, you know, I was being creative with whatever was going on. And now that I'm traveling, I feel like the videos that should be like monumental and great are very much so back burner. And I really actually just want to commit and make good videos. And I feel like I haven't been doing that and I apologize. So that is a little bit of a preface for this next video because I kind of filmed it in a way that it doesn't work well with what I want to do. So the next video you guys see, I really hope that you enjoy it more. I'm going to put way more effort into it, way more of me into it because I really want to work on this stuff and I've been doing it so long I need to just actually take it seriously. This is us going to Romania. I didn't take that many clips. I ended up spending like the last 4 or 5 hours of my time in Romania just like sick. I'm fine now, weird, but I kind of dropped the ball on recording this video, and I also feel as if the Tunisia video really was lacking as well. I am continuing to travel, and I think that I have some better ideas for these travel videos, and I think I just need to just send it with them. Republic to the train station. Let's get it. Very nice. Perfect. Waiting in the airport. Simulator. It's exciting.
Hey. All right, Romania, first night. Funny.
That was the best clip of that entire thing.
Or there's another one.
Stolen skull.
The best part about it, bro, is me and you both said it a different way, but it was still wrong. Solid.
So you should check out my other channel, Sickington City. Sickington City just kind of has like random stuff on it. I originally made it for some other videos with Connor, like for edits and stuff, and I've kind of forgotten to put edits up on it. But the other night, John was just being so funny, and he got in a mood where he was like down to record some videos, and they turned out to be really funny. So if you guys have a second, I'd really appreciate it if you checked that out, if you checked out Sickington City. Yeah, so the clip you just saw is actually one of the YouTube shorts I uploaded on that channel. So go check it out for just like really funny random stuff.
We gotta walk like this now.
Rock, planet rock.
Look at this guy.
Use deodorant.